Hello. Today, boys and girls, we are going to be talking about finding numbers that are 10 more than a certain number and 10 less. As you saw in the video earlier on the previous slide, they were showing you how to find a number 10 more than another number or 10 less by using a counting chart. What we're going to do on this page is, in thinking about a number line and how you have numbers that go to the right, the numbers get bigger. And when you move on a number line to the left, the numbers get smaller. So we're going to be looking at numbers on a number line to tell 10 more and 10 less. So there's a little story here about the monkey who is pointing to the number 43. And I'm going to use purple because it's the closest thing that I have to blue. But it says to put a counter on the number 43. Well, I can't put a counter, but I'm going to draw a line under it right here in the middle of the number line, 43. And then it says to circle the number that is 10 more. So as I said, if we move this direction on the number line, then the numbers get bigger. Okay, so 10 more than 43 would be 53. And when you move this direction, the numbers get smaller. And so 10 less than 43 would be 33. Keeping in mind that the ones didn't change, okay, because we're only moving up or down 10. And when you write the number 10, how many ones are there in the number 10? 0. So we're adding or subtracting 0 to that 3. So it is not going to change. But we are adding a 10. So if we're asking how many is more than 43, one more 10 from 4 tens would be 5 tens, 53. And if we are subtracting to find a number that's 10 less than 43, we would be subtracting the 1 for the tens place. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. So 33 is 10 less than 43. All right, let's turn the page. And here they have a number line, but they've also put the models of the numbers so that you can see. You can see that if we're looking at the number 34 now, right here in the middle, and if you look to this direction, does it look like there are more tens and ones than this number? Yes, there is more. So we're adding 10, 10 more than 33, or excuse me, 34. So if we had 1, 2, 3 tens and 34, and we add a 10, now we have 4 tens. 2, 3, 4. We had 3, we add 1 more, that's 4 tens. And then, as I said, the ones doesn't change. So 44 is 10 more than 34. And then to find the number 10 less, if we take away one of those tens, now we only have 2 tens. 2 tens and 4 ones is 24. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 is 10 less. So what is the number that goes right here in the middle? If we have 31 on this side and we have 51 on this side, what is the number in the middle? 31. I hope you said 41 and 51. 31, 41, 51. Exactly. Now tell how to find what number is 10 more than 62. What is 10 more than 62? You're going to increase the 6 tens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. You're going to add 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens is the same as 70. And we did not change the ones. Okay, very good. All right, on the next slides, you're going to be filling in the missing numbers on your own. 36, 46, blank. You fill it in there, and so on. And then down here, they have gotten rid of the number line, and they just want you to mentally think about what numbers would come next. 10 more than 0 is, yeah, it's going to be 10. 10 more. Now be careful, because on this section, on this part of the slide, they're asking you to write 10 more. But be careful, because then there are others on the slide that is asking you to write 10 less. Notice the position of the lines. Okay, if it's on this side, it's going to be 10 more. If it's on this side of the number, then it's going to be 10 less. The number that comes 10 numbers before that number. All right, do your best.